Are you facing keyboard problems on your iPhone after iOS 14 update? Like keyboard is not showing up at all, or maybe it lags or freezes up at times? In this video, we will show you how you can fix keyboard not showing up problem on iPhone 12, 12 mini and 12 Pro Max. Let's check it out. First, make sure your iPhone is running on the latest iOS possible. If it is not up to date, it can cause software malfunction, which in turn can cause keyboard problems on your iPhone. If the keyboard is not showing up in your iPhone 12 series phone, then it can happen if you have connected any Bluetooth keyboard with your iPhone. You can forget the device, or you can simply turn off your Bluetooth and this problem will be fixed. Keyboard problems in iPhone can cause because of software malfunction, so you can give it a forced restart. It will fix all the minor software glitches and fix the issue if it was causing the problem. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button. Now press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Keyboard problems on iPhone can also be causing by some customized settings malfunction, so you can do a all settings reset. Don't worry, you won't lose any of your data and contents in this way. To do that, go to settings, tap general, scroll down and tap reset all settings, enter your passcode, tap reset all settings, again tap reset all settings. Your iPhone will take auto restart and all the customized settings will be erased from your iPhone. If no matter what your keyboard is not showing up and you can't do a all settings reset because you can't press your passcode, you can give your iPhone a hard reset by putting it into the recovery mode. We have a video about how you can do it. We'll leave the link in the description, you can check it out. It will fix any and all sort of software malfunctions in your iPhone and it will fix the issue. So guys, these are the ways you can fix keyboard problems on your iPhone 12, 12 mini and 12 Pro Max. Thanks for watching the video. We hope it was helpful. If so, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. If you have any query on the topic, let us know in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for tips and tricks for Apple devices. Thank you.